Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to make a WordPress website in HostGator. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my HostGator course within my university for free. Inside this course, you will learn things like how to get started with your HostGator shared hosting, how to set up and manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your WordPress performance in HostGator. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. In order to make a WordPress website with HostGator, just click on Settings under your website, go to Advanced, and scroll down till you see cPanel. Next to it, click on Manage. We are now inside cPanel. Scroll down looking for software, and under it, click on WordPress Manager. Click on Install. The first step to make your WordPress website is selecting HTTPS. Then select your domain name, and for the version or the WordPress version, always select the latest. Give your WordPress website a name, a description, and choose your username. I will enter Ben. For the password, use a strong one. Enter your email address and scroll down again to choose language. Under this drop-down menu, you can select your desired language, and next to it, you can install one or all of these plugins. Personally, I will skip this because I want my WordPress website to have a clean or a fresh WordPress copy. Under Advanced Options, you can modify your database name and prefix, but I don't recommend it for beginners. And now click on Install. After no more than a minute, my WordPress site is successfully made. I don't see my WordPress, but don't panic, this is just due to my browser cache. I need to clear it. You can clear it from your browser settings and also from the control panel of your WordPress site. I don't prefer building or making my WordPress site this way, so I will exit to WordPress. From caching, click on Purge All. Then visit your website, refresh it. You successfully made your WordPress website in HostGator. That was all for this video. If you want to encourage me make more tutorials, just like this video and make sure to subscribe.